It sure has been a day. It's been a crazy day. It started off when I was just driving to work. And then here comes this old man. This old man was doing 38 and a 45. It's been worse. By the way, when I say old man, I'm not talking like, this dude was pushing 85. So I kind of give him a polite honk, hey man, pick up the pace a little bit. Nope, he didn't like that. He didn't like that at all. He actually swerved into my lane, flipped me the bird, and then continued to go 38. So I waited for a truck that was in front of me to go a little bit faster. I politely, with my blinker, got in front and kept going. Perfectly safe space. Follows me a little while, gets around other vehicles, catches up to me. It's been about 3 miles now down the road. I pull into a Fry's parking lot, and I weave through to make sure he's still following me and not actually going to Fry's. Well, sure enough, I pull into a parking spot. Old man stops in the middle of the road right behind my car. And he says, "Is that your veteran plate?" I'm a veteran. And I say, "Yes. Can I help you?" And he says, "You know what? You're making our culture look bad." Making our culture look bad? What did I do? Old man, you're losing it. You're losing it. I was just politely saying, "Hey man, I know you're from Washington, I can see your plate, but there's nothing great to look at to be going 38 and a 45. This is a busy area where lots of corporate people are doing corporate things, trying to maintain the legal speed limit and get to the place where they're going." That's it. I didn't say, "Beep, beep, hey old man, get your off the road." No, I didn't. Nope. Why you gotta be like that? Why you gotta be like that? Why? Why?